The CIMCO MNT is an advanced maintenance and inventory management solution designed to keep your factory floor running efficiently. You can easily track all your machine's reported errors, inventory, and schedule preventive maintenance. Log machine errors in seconds, assign tasks, and monitor progress in real time. Every issue is documented and resolved faster, reducing costly downtime. Track every tool and equipment in your facility. Check-in and check-out functions ensure you always know who is using what and when it's due for maintenance or calibration. Plan and manage all upcoming maintenance tasks in one place. With automatic reminders and live tracking, staying ahead of maintenance schedules has never been easier. CIMCO MNT offers an intuitive interface that allows your team to work efficiently on desktop, tablet, or mobile. Keep your factory running at peak performance with CIMCO MNT. Reduce downtime, streamline operations, and take control of your maintenance and inventory management today.